Hello, my name is Marcos. I am a designer and web developer, and for many years I've been working for design agencies and also for the art market. And because of this, I've been traveling and living all around the world. The last year, I've been invited by an environmental organization to make their website, design and programming. I accepted the challenge and I love it to program. It ran it really, really smooth and I loved what I was learning. So I decided to deepen my knowledge by joining the WBS school and I'm really, really happy with the results.
Hi, my name is Konstantin Brose from Munich. Recently graduated from the WBS coding school, I'm now a full stack web and app developer. Coming from a marketing and graphic design background, I try to see every project from the beginning to the end. I was always passionate about creating visual appealing graphics, and due to that, I really got interested in coding as well. Therefore, I started the coding bootcamp and found a new passion. As a curious and problem solving oriented person, coding gives me the opportunity and freedom to create. With my new skill, I'm not only able to consider and design a project, but moreover to create the change. Since I love playing basketball, I like to compare basketball with coding, because team, precision, and endurance is key to get every job done. I found my motivation in coding through a problem, finding public basketball courts wherever you go. Due to that problem, I had a vision for a basketball app. So I teamed up with Marcus and we decided to solve that problem. And now we're happy to present our final project, WhereToHoop. Let's check it out.
Here we are. This is our app, WhereToHoop. WhereToHoop is a simple app to find public basketball courts around you or wherever you want to go. Simply click the button Search your court in order to find a public basketball court. You will be guided to a screen where you can search for a city or a destination where you want to play. In my case, I'm looking for basketball courts in the city of Munich. Google autocomplete will help me to find the right destination. And here I can see Munich, Germany. Simply click on it and you will be guided to another screen where you can select the court properties, starting from the number of hoops where you can increase and decrease. And selecting the surface type, simply click on all. You can select between tartan and concrete. The net type between nylon and steel. Competition level between high and low, and lightning, yes or no. So I will leave everything to all in order to see all the courts around Munich. So simply hit search and the app will look for the courts around Munich. So here you can see a list with all the courts in Munich and you can scroll through the list and you can see each court in the database. Each court has a name, a rating system, and already a preview of the court properties. As well as the list, you can view the courts in a map. Simply click map. You can see a map with all the markers, and each marker represents a court in Munich. You can click on a marker on the map in order to see the preview below in the flat list. And on the list, you also can scroll horizontally and the marker will jump to the certain chord. Additionally, and what's interesting, you can click on the preview. For example, I select this one, and you can see a detailed screen of the certain chord where you again have the name and the rating system, as well as the address and all the properties of this chord. And a feature what we implemented is that you can bookmark a chord and save it to your favorites by simply clicking on the heart in the upper right corner. So I will do this now. Here I clicked on it and I will get a message that this chord has been saved to my chords. So clicking OK and go back. At the bottom tab navigator, I can click on my chords and you can see the favorite chord has been saved here.
Perfect. So I take the presentation for now on, and I would love to introduce the map tab that's in the bottom. And that map is a similar map as the other map we saw, the listing, but it has an additional feature that's courts around me. Clicking the button, you can see all the courts that are around you, taking your GPS localization. In our case, we're seeing some courts in Google Park, in Palo Alto. And if you have a favorite court and you want to add something to our database, our listings, you can add court. It's a feature dedicated to the users. And in there, you can add all the information of your favorite court. So let's create one. That is the name, WBS, coding hoop. And where is this? Is in Weißkopfstraße in Berlin. You're using Google autocomplete as well to help this feature. Let's go on. Click. We have the option to choose an image. At this moment, we will not add an image now. How many hoops we have in this court? Let's say 4. Perfect. Tartan is the surface type. The lat type is 2. The hin height is official there. There is artificial light. And the competition level is high. That page we can review all the information we just added. All right, and let's add a court. New hoop added. And of course, you can see that court when we make the search, Berlin. Let's try to make a search there. Let's keep the filter default. And here we go. We have our court there. So that's our app, and I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.